Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how you can connect a steering wheel to GTA 5 on your computer or your PC. So let's jump right into it. Super easy. So first, what you're going to want to do if you're setting up a Logitech wheel, which most of the people will be, is you're going to download the Logitech software. And that software is basically located on their website and it's super easy to install it. You're just going to go to the Logitech website and you're going to download the Logitech gaming software. It's the first step. And then you'll start to configure your Logitech G29 or your Logitech wheel to start working with Grand Theft Auto. Now, this software is necessary to set up your wheel and you're going to have to install it either way. It's available for free download on the Logitech website. You're going to run the installer after downloading and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the installation. Next, you're going to connect your wheel. Once you connect your wheel, it will automatically be detected by the software and it will bring up the software settings where you can just go ahead and fine-tune it to your preference and see what button mapping that you wish to do or other parameters that you wish to send. You can also set the wheel sensitivity by your specification. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to download and set up a third-party mod. Why will you set up a mod? Because this further increases your experience of using Grand Theft Auto with a wheel. So what you're going to do is you're going to install something called a script Hawke V, which basically allows for you to have a manual transmission on GTA 5. You can unzip the downloaded file on your computer and copy the manual transmission folder and the gears.asi files from the downloaded folder. There's a lot of tutorials out there for this particular mod. Then there's a lot of specific mods you can go ahead and do. But for the most part, you're just going to install the Logitech gaming software and configure the wheel. But yeah, that's about it, everybody. Have a fun time playing GTA 5 with the new wheel that you got. Thank you for watching.